In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through two versions of how you can do a bicep curl with a kettlebell. And of course, you can add this movement into other exercises to create combinations. For example, a squat and bicep curl. Now, you'll notice here I've got the kettlebell on the floor. I'm going to pick that up with a nice straight back. And I want you to take note of the horns of the kettlebell. So that's what my hands are gripped into currently. I can either start off in a horn down or a horn up position. So side on, I'm in my horn down position. I can come all the way down, elbows into my sides, and from here all the movement is going to come from my elbow, bending and straightening. I'm trying to keep my shoulders back. I don't want to roll the shoulders forwards. And you can repeat for your desired amount of repetitions as a single independent exercise, or alternatively, you can add this into a combination. What you can also do, you can have a horn up position. So again, I've got my hands in the same place on the horns, but this time the bottom of the kettlebell is facing up towards the ceiling. So exactly the same cues. The only difference here is the weight distribution is slightly different. There's a little bit more forearm demand on the way down. Otherwise, it's the same cues with the exercise. So you can see both front on, horn down position, and horn up position. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that is how you do a kettlebell bicep curl.